Hi, I'm Carolyn, and yes, it's raining. Today we're gonna make a creamy vegan potato soup. If you've ever wondered how to make a vegan soup creamy without adding the dairy, this video is gonna show you how. And there's a funny clip in the middle of the video that I hope is gonna make you laugh too. So let's get started. We're gonna start by cutting up our leeks as fast as you can without cutting yourself. And then we're gonna heat up that pan that is next to us, put a little bit of olive oil in there. While that's getting hot, we're gonna start cutting up our potatoes. As you can see, I'm using what I have on hand. It really doesn't matter what type of potatoes you have. It also does not matter if you mix your potatoes. I like diversity. It does not matter what color skin your potatoes are. Now we're going to continue to heat up those leeks, and we're going to stir those up and continue to chop up our potatoes. Continue to check on the leeks and continue to keep cutting your potatoes. And you'll just continue to go back and forth between the two. Now I'm going to add some salt, and then you start adding in all of your potatoes. Give it a good stir. I added more salt, and then I'm adding 2 of the vegetable broth packages, which equals about 4 cups. And this particular brand, Kettle and Fire, does not have added sugar. Now we drop in our 2 bay leaves. And then next up is thyme, 1.5 teaspoons. Then we're going to give it a good stir and put a lid on it and let that come to a nice boil and let that simmer. Now you're going to take out the bay leaves. This is really important. I'm going to use this immersion blender, which is going to make it creamy.
Keep it up and down, not sideways. Man, use your other hand.
It doesn't work that
Yes,
way.
it will. Force it. You don't have to go fast. Just a tiny bit. I said a tiny!
I can't! It's sucking! It has a suction! You don't understand!
Okay, so you just tilt it a little bit. Okay?
Did you feel that suction?
Yes, I did. Now just tilt it. Just keep it down. Keep it down. Put it down! God! Hold the button. Hold the button. Hold the button.
Oh my gosh, that was funny. I just had to leave that in. I'm going to post a link so that you could get one of these things too if you want. And this is our finished soup. By doing that, it makes it all creamy looking without having to add dairy. And then you can just sprinkle on a little bit of parsley flakes or some fresh chopped parsley and a little pinch of salt. And there you are. Voila! Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys. And I will see you again soon.